Hello. Ours is a research project entitled Intelligent Control System, wherein we have proposed a prototype solution for providing privileged access to the electrical components in some particular lab or room via a mobile application using the Internet of Things, and also the automatic turning on and off of those electrical components using computer vision. So here is our app eSaver for the same. This app basically manages the privileged access between the faculties and the students. So first of all, I'll be logging in as a faculty. If suppose I enter invalid credentials, so here is the list of locations displayed for which I have the permission. For room number 101, there are two LEDs which we have used in our hardware portion, which would be covered in the live demonstration for the same would be covered in the later part of the video. So this way there would be connections for each room, for each location, and the faculty being the admin can manage the permissions for that particular location or room. So for the room 101, there are two current users accessing the lights, that is the LEDs, and if I wish to add or grant the permission to some other user, I can give the permission as well as take the permission from any of the user who is currently accessing it anytime, and I can remove all of the users also at the same time using this icon here. Signing in as one of the students, these are the locations to which I have the access as a student, so that I can turn on and off the LED in this particular room. Similarly for the others. So what happens here basically is the faculty can give and take access for a particular moment, for a particular location.
So here is the application. By opening this application, you can see the location which are allocated to me. Right now I have been allocated only one location, which is room number 101. By clicking this location, we can see the list of devices which we can access inside a room or lab, anything else. So here we will see how to control them.